Hey everyone, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. In this video, we're going to go over a portable mobility scooter from Merits. It's called the Roadster S4, and it's model number S741A. Now this mobility scooter can break down into 5 manageable pieces without the use of tools. And when you do that, the heaviest piece weighs 36 pounds. It has a top speed of 4 miles per hour. And the battery range is around 6 miles. So this is not something that's going to get you a long battery range. It's just a practical, portable mobility scooter that's not going to break the bank, and it's going to be able to get you around to run errands. It is approved for airline travel, so you can take it on an airline as well. So it's just good for just certain use cases, but it's not something you're going to cruise around all day in. It does have an 18-inch deluxe stadium style seat, has a lot of padding. There's also an universal accessory hitch that's on the back. You can add things like an oxygen tank holder, a crutch or cane holder, a walker holder. You can add a large basket. You can get a cover for this. But again, this is the Roadster 4, and we're gonna get into it, show you a little bit more about the scooter, and we wanna show you how to break it down into those more manageable pieces for transport. So let's get into it. So on the front of the scooter, you'll see there's this would be a bumper bar, and you can also use this for transporting. So let's say you didn't want to break down the whole scooter. You can fold the tiller down and you can pick up this part and put it in the back of your vehicle. We also have flat free tires on the front and the rear. I believe the front tires are about 7 inches, rear are a little bigger, about 8 inches. You also have a front basket. I can take it off. Yeah, just pop it up from the bottom. Got a handle. You can take it to the store, go shopping. Let me put it back on there. Just line it up with those hooks and show you the controls on the tiller. Pretty simplistic. Now this is a Delta tiller, so you see this oval shape, and this is good for people that have limited mobility in their hands. So you can rest your wrists on this bar here and use your fingers to accelerate on this throttle, or you can rest your wrist up here and use your thumbs to accelerate. It is ambidextrous, so I can go forward. I can go forward and I can go backwards with just one hand. You can do it on either side. So if you didn't have use of one of your hands, you can still operate the throttle. You got a horn, here's your speed control. It's your set of keys. The tiller is also adjustable in angle, so there's a knob down here. I can adjust it towards me or away from me using this knob, and when I find that comfortable position, I can just twist it and lock it into place. You'll notice right here is your charging port, so you can charge it up here. Let me lock this tiller into place. So now we got the tiller locked into place. So you can charge it on the tiller directly, or you can also charge it on the battery pack. So I can pull up this battery pack just like this, and you can charge it directly on here. So you can bring this inside your home, leave the scooter in your garage. Once it's fully charged, the charger will turn green, and you know it's time to bring the battery pack back out to your scooter and set it in there. Now, there are 2 batteries inside of this battery pack, but you just grab it by this handle and you just set it down in here. There's some connectors that go into here on the actual battery, so that will connect into here, and you just simply drop it in here.
Hey, I just want to let you know real quick, we do have a physical catalog that we can send to you, and it is free. It's not of all of our products, but it is of our top sellers. You can give us a call at the number below and just provide your information to the representative that answers, and we'll get it sent out to you. You can also click on free catalog at the top of our website, just fill out that short form and submit it. And once we receive that information, you'll receive that catalog in about 10 days. All right, back to the video.
Now moving on to the seat, we'll get a couple measurements. Seat width, looking at 18 inches. Seat depth, 17.5. Now seat to the top of the seat back, it's about 15 inches. You do have a little bit of padding on the armrest, and they do flip up. Allows you to get in and out of the seat more easily, and it also swivels. So you pull up to a dinner table, You swivel it to the side and eat dinner, or just to exit the seat. On the seat post, you'll notice that there's a bolt here. You can adjust the height of this about 2 to 3 inches. So you can lower it down slightly or up. This is about the middle position. Now on the back of the scooter, you got a tiny little bit of storage here. Not much you can put in here, but you do have a little storage. Most of the storage is going to be on the front basket, but if you wanted more storage, you can add that rear basket I mentioned at the beginning of the video right here in this accessory hitch. You can also add the cane holder or the crutch holder here, oxygen tank holder. They would all go into this port. Yes, the armrests are adjustable in width as well. So if 18 inches in width wasn't enough for you, there's an Allen key that comes with the scooter, and you can just adjust the width so these will come out more to give you more of a seating area. On the back of the scooter, we have anti-tip wheels. We got some rear reflectors, and here's your free wheel. So if I turn off the scooter, you can see this is pushed back into drive, but if I push this forward, you can push it manually. So I'm gonna push it forward, and I'm gonna turn off the scooter. Now you can push it. So if you ran out of battery life, that's what you would have to do. Now if I turn this on with it in manual, I can't operate the scooter. So you have to turn it off, push the freewheel lever back into the drive position, and when I turn it back on, now I can accelerate and use the scooter. So those are electromagnetic brakes that are now engaged. So when I let off of this throttle, the brakes automatically engage. And that's standard on most mobility scooters. One other measurement I want to give you is the width of the floorboard. It's about 14 inches, and ground to the top of the seat, we're looking at about 22.5 inches. Now remember, the seat is adjustable in height about 2 to 3 inches. So let me show you how to take this apart. So very first thing, turn this off. I'm gonna take the keys, put them in my pocket here. And next I'm gonna remove the basket. You don't have to remove the basket, but I would remove it. After that, I'm just gonna pull the same lever I used to swivel it and just lift it right up. After that, I'm gonna remove the battery pack. So real easy to remove, you just pull up on the handle. We'll set that to the side. Now I'm gonna adjust the tiller down, and you want it to be about level with the floorboard, and then lock that into place. It's still gonna move until you lock this wheel well. So if I pull this tab forward, now it's gonna lock it so the tiller doesn't jump around the back of your car. Last step, you push this in, pull up the seat post, and now you detach it. So now we have it detached into 5 pieces. The heaviest piece is 36 pounds. It's gonna be this piece right here. We are giving away a free mobility scooter. Now, from the past of doing this giveaway, this is an authentic giveaway too, guys. We're actually giving these away to real people. This is not something that's set up. We give these to real people that actually subscribe and comment on our videos. But what we're finding is that a lot of times people are hard to get a hold of, and we want to give away to people that are supporting us. So moving forward, if you want to be eligible for this, all you have to do is comment on any video, subscribe to our channel, and then once you've done those things, send us an email at giveaway@electricwheelchairsusa.com. We'll put that on the screen, and then put your username of your YouTube name, and we're gonna verify that you subscribed and you commented, and we'll have your email, so then we'll be able to let you know if you are one of the winners of our next giveaway. So just wanted to share that with you. So again, to reassemble, I'll just show you real quick. You'll notice there's little hooks here. I'm just gonna pull up the seat post and drop it into here and just let go. And you can see it is now connected. You heard it kind of click into place. After that, I'm gonna push this tab forward so you can steer it, and then adjust the tiller up into a driving position, lock that into place. Take the battery pack, set it back in here. There it is. So now we're connected. Let me just put the key in, see, yeah. So we're connected, the power supply is on. Take the seat, line up the peg with the seat post, drop it in there, and of course put the front basket on. So that's how you would reassemble. And like I mentioned, if you didn't want to do that entire disassembly, it kind of depends on the back of your vehicle. So you could remove the seat and you can fold the tiller down, and then you can pick up this part and put it on the back of your trunk, and then you can lift the back of the scooter and you can distribute the weight and put it in there. So that's just another way of doing it, but most people disassemble it into 5 pieces. But again, this is the Roadster 4. Great portable mobility scooter option. One thing I do want to show is it's a compact scooter. I'm a big guy, I'm 6'4". I think it's a little small for me. It just feels snug. I can put my feet up here. I mean, there's some grip tape right here. So you can put your feet up here. But to me, I feel like this is a little snug for me. I feel like you need to be a little shorter than I am if you want to be comfortable on the scooter. So I just wanted to point that out. I like to point that out in a lot of videos, like what my height is, so people get a general idea of what it might look like. So again, I'm 6'4". I'm under the weight capacity, I'm 235. So again, this is the Roadster 4, model number S741A. If you have questions about it, give us a call. It does come with a manufacturer's warranty from Merits. And if you purchase it through Electric Wheelchairs USA, we do throw in a 1-year in-home service contract for added peace of mind. So if anything goes wrong in the first year of owning this, we'll send a technician to your home to fix that issue. Call us at the number below if you have any questions, or just simply visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com to learn more.